India Web Fest and it is raining celebrities out here and I have the very beautiful and talented Gauhar Khan.
Hi.
Hi Gauhar.
Oh, sweet. Thank you.
Absolutely lovely to see you here yet
Thank
again. First things first, इतनी beautiful effortlessly कैसे दिखती है आप?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, एफर्ट बहुत ज़्यादा है इसके पीछे 2 घंटे की मेहनत मुशक्क़त सब जाती है, बट आई गेस इट्स ऑल अबाउट यू. मुझे हमेशा से शौक रहा है कि मैं सजना सवरना, so this is something that I enjoy, so I guess I'm always a little well put out, I guess.
Right, absolutely. It's India Web Fest. How do you view this platform and how important is it for content creators like you?
It's amazing that web has this boom period right now where everyone and anyone gets an opportunity to be on any platform, but then like I have always said, there's quality versus quantity, and I try and filter down what I really want to do, what I really want to watch, what is the kind of content that I enjoy watching, what does my mom enjoy watching, so I kind of filter it down to basics. And it's great that we have entities like the India Web Fest where actors, technicians, production houses, head of production houses are here and speaking, and this is the time where you can actually sit down and reflect upon whether the boom is something that is going in the right direction or whether there's some kind of a filtration process that is needed. And it's always nice to be a part of a platform where there is an amalgamation of not just actors but also technicians and getting a viewpoint of what they have to think from a business perspective, and I'm excited about it.
Great. Do you foresee in this boom period, maybe about 3 or 5 years down the line, do you see mobile content and digital content overtaking television and films and becoming the market leader in terms of revenue as well?
No, I don't think so. I think when TV was at its peak, people said abhi movies koi nahi dekhega, everything is TV. Then there was a stagnant phase of the television and about the content that was coming on television. Then there came a phase where people said, nahi, ab to sirf reality shows hi ka kaam hone wala hai. And then there was a lump and nobody was watching non-fiction, and suddenly everyone's gone back to the mythology and all those kind of shows, and that's what's doing well. So you can't really tell what's going to take over from something else, but I do feel like there's a lot more that can be explored with the web.
Okay. Very quickly we will play a rapid fire round. I cannot leave you without that. So first what we'll do is we'll play what's on my phone. What's on your phone? The last message you sent?
Was to my assistant for my clothing brand.
आपका स्क्रीन टाइम कितना है मोबाइल का? जो बहुत ज़्यादा?
Yeah, बहुत ज़्यादा. I'm always on my phone.
Okay, all right. Last 3 tabs on your browser?
That will be difficult to kind of remember, yeah.
Okay, we'll pass that. Last person you called?
My sister.
Okay. Who will call you at 3 a.m.?
My sister. Gauhar, when are you coming back home?
Okay. And who never answers your call at the first try?
My mom.
Okay, never? Mummy ji? Okay. Who's on your speed dial?
My brother and my sister Nigar, both of them.
Okay. Most used filter on Instagram?
I don't use filters. I hate filters. I feel like it just concocts your face, and I use it very, very, minimalistic. So on Instagram, I don't use any filters on Instagram actually.
Okay. The last selfie you clicked?
Was 2 seconds ago in the car.
In the car? Okay.
Yeah.
What's my first? Your first fan moment?
It's when I saw Salman Khan when I was at my cousin's wedding. No, actually my first fan moment was actually when I was maybe 2 years old or something like that. Okay. And I had watched Hatya, the film, and Govinda ji walked into a wedding, and I looked a little similar to that child, so he was so fascinated by me that he actually lifted me up in his arms. And that was my first fan moment that I remember of meeting Govinda.
Oh, and when was that moment when you became a star and a fan approached you? Remember that?
There are lots of those, and okay. I really find them so sweet and humble that I can't really pick and choose one.
Right. So, talking about pick and choose, very quickly, Instagram or Snapchat?
Oh, difficult. I use a lot of both, so I can't really choose.
Okay. Million views or trending views? Million videos or trending videos?
Million videos?
I'm sorry. Million views or trending video?
They both mean the same, I guess. If
Okay.
you get 1 million views, then your video is trending.
Okay. Lastly, security following or fan following?
Security following or fan following? I would say my fans following along with my security following.
Both should coexist. Thank you, Gauhar, for being so nice. Thank you very much. Enjoy the session. Thank you.
Thank you.